don't get me wrong, ne? Yasikihlalele la ngibhorekile uRishankile angithi isikhathi sakhe namhlanje ukuthi announce isquad uyangilanda uthi hayi Katlego I see you bored asambe mfethu awubayi uma keep ngithi hayi sure Rishankile angithi nyazi ngifuna ukufaka abakulamthuthu bami kule squad esiya kuAfcon ngithi fene Rishankile ngithi captain space kwemoto uyamazi uRishankile aka drive drivelwa yena Rishankile. Ngithi sure Rishankile, so how's the list going on there? Athi hayi Katlego don't worry, I'm done with the list. Ngithi hayi where ngithi akase ngifuna ukusifaka ngibona ukuthi kungene bani kungena kabani. Ngithi so Rishankile is Mufukeng there? Athi Katlego you know Mufukeng my boy. Ngithi yes. Ay ngilo ihamba lemoto leyo yabazi uRishankile uyangazi ngifuna ukufaka ababona mthuthu ngithi so the strong man big man lehla Madumbe Mbokazi is he there athe Katlego what's Madumbe ngithi phuma lapho is he there athi hayi Mbokazi you know strength we there ngithi aware and there's this boy man you know like Rishankile athi ubani ngithi Campbell is he there athi hayi funny part Katlego inidi ngithi uRishankile ukatsika yakushasha uhamba la uCampbell cause uCampbell ngimthembile wena akela umthembanga athe wena you calling with this Zulu ngithi ama Rishankile la ukhuluma isiZulu Ati don't want Campbell inside Rishankile. And now the king of Lamtutus, you know ati Katlego, you are the Lamtutus. I don't know who is are Lamtutus. You know your Lamtutus, you complain with them every day. How do you expect me to put them in Kabangalezes Mesama Pole movers, Mesama Pole movers, Tistepana Vidagas, Marvele Tataban. Okay, so even Shabalala needs. Katlego, sorry, Shabalala will forgive me, but this one is tough, man. It's 3 foot today. It's very heavy, so was the matter 3 foot wearing it I fed. But when I'm saying king of Lamtutus, is he there? At who's king of Lamtutus? You know the master chef, the one that cooks like you, but at all that one Lamtutu one, yes, the king of Lamtutus at now. Mbule's gonna beat you up, Ijaya Blair Rishankile, Bembuza your corner, cause I'm all of Tutu I'm saying. Let me check it away, cause I'm your smooth is a Kabola Tuta Farang. At Buddha is there, boy, get away. So the rest, no stress at time, but now you wanna know my list before I tell people my list. Okay, Rishankile, I'll relax. We can go. At I show, I'll buy you my gift. Yo, don't you take a fang? No, I'm 221. Maragay, but I'm sorry. I'm buy Zadi of course, but this I Rishankile.